Hello again. I'm going to attempt to keep my head out of this picture, but I don't promise that that's going to be the way it goes. That's my super glue. This big rubber straw. That's an ancient chopstick. This is a makeup application pad that's made of gel and covered in silicone. And it has a convex and a concave side. And I recently tried to use a tool that had no good side to use, and it still worked, but it had a section problem. So I'm going to take some of my super glue gel. I'm going to put it right down on the mouth of that straw. Try not to get it too many other places. Put it on the convex side. Wish that I'd put the top back on my super glue before I decided to hold that in place. And with any luck at all, that's going to hold perfectly. I'm going to put my chopstick down inside that straw to make it hold tightly. This is what it was based on. Well, this was the second prototype. Hopefully, by the time I do this, there will be an opportunity to have a link, because I think I waited way too long for these, and they're not the same ones I bought the first time. I'm not going to worry too much about how this goes. I just want to use, this is our sample. Let's grab an OXO omelet turning flip and fold spatula. Spread some paint so we have something to make the paint we add slip around. Move that for the moment. This is available on my Amazon link. It's the best paint spreading tool I know of, and it does a great job. Now I have a dish next to me that you may or may not see. I think you can see it. It's over here. And I'm going to put some Amsterdam black that has pre-stained wood conditioner in it. And then I'm going to dip that tool right into it and use it as a swipe tool. And I don't know how this is going to work, because the last time it made a cool painting that was really fast. But I hate not having my sides covered, and I didn't want to cover them because I didn't know how things were going to work out right then. But so far so good. Let's just put some of the, that is a color shifting red from Folk Art, and some 24 karat gold from Decor Americana, and this time I'm going to remember some Anita's White Metallic. Let's do the blue, electric blue from Arteza. I'll grab a little color shifting purple flash. Some amethyst. Oh, that's plugged and I don't want it to be plugged. Some amethyst that's metallic from Artist Loft that I've been enjoying to the point of having already used up one entire tube. And I'm on my second tube now. And I will be buying more. I wish I'd bought more at the time. I think I bought what I could buy. They were buy one, get one 50% off or something. So I'm being called turquoise. Or green. I think it's the turquoise, but I'm going to throw a little bit of Venetian blue in there anyway. I have a paint chip stuck to my finger and it won't come off. Come on, off. I've never... Oh, that's glue. No wonder it won't come off. Duh. There's a dumb moment for you. See, it's stuck. It's going to be there for a while, too. Alright, let's put some black Amsterdam paint out in my dish. I think I already shook my bottle. I probably could have used a much smaller dish. I do have a damp rag handy to wipe that off with. I have no idea how this is going to go. I really want some orange in there. Can't go without the orange. We might make mud. It's the first time for everything. Sorry I'm quiet. I'm like studying what's happening. Could have used some more red, I think. Makes me want to put some paint into a dish and just dip this into it and see what happens. So let's do that since I have a dish. And I have some of that color shifting red. And I want to know, let's knock this off on my little iffy silicone mat. Wipe my tool off. See how clean that comes off. Pretty clean, not bad. Oh, that's nice. Ha! I'm not even cleaning it off in between. Who knows what I can do with this? But you do have to clean it off eventually, or you're not gonna. It's not gonna be nice. Not gonna be well received. I hate to say what it looks like. Just spinning that around. Because I can. Spin this around because I can too. Alright, I'm going to wipe that off, call it good. There's my experiment, there's my tool. I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that, but I think I can probably do better than this at some point. I'm going to torch. We got all kinds of cells. And I think if I arrange the paint differently, come out. It won't. Alright, this is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery going, why don't I add something to this to make myself like it more? But I kind of don't hate it, and it seems to be getting brighter as I watch. So that's kind of cool. Good experiment. Don't mind that experiment at all. I love you guys. I hope I was in frame. Kind of looks like I wasn't. Alright, we'll zoom in on that. Cool. Curlicues. Make some good clouds out of that. Or some ocean texture, or some sky texture, or some tree texture. Maybe some tree texture. Spirally trees. That sounds like fun. Alright, so please give me a thumbs up when you like my videos. You help me out. When you watch them as long as you can, that's the really important thing. When you share them, it's a big assistance and I really appreciate it. When you watch the commercials, you know you're helping me buy art supplies. My link tree is below the video, and below that is my email address. The link tree has my website, Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links, my Facebook groups, Expressionist Art Studio Gallery Appreciation Group, where you can see tomorrow's video, and is for students. My brand new website, or brand new link is to La Gallerist, and it has some exclusive fashions with my designs on them. If you're looking for less expensive and still cool stuff, look for the Teespring clothing below the video. All over print leggings and all over print t-shirts are there. And if you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me and I'll see if I can't add it for you. Same with Pinterest and Instagram, excuse me. No. Same with pixels.com and Fine Art America. If you can't find what you're looking for, just ask me. There's like 1,400 items there, though, so you're bound to find something pretty cool. Thank you for all the wonderful comments that keep my morale boosted. Thank you so much for the donations that help keep me painting. It's been a little while since I've seen one, but I'm sure sooner or later somebody's going to feel like they want to get in the monthly drawing. And if you do want to get in the monthly drawing, a donation through PayPal or Patreon, I prefer PayPal, will get you an automatic entry. And you can see what the prizes are included on the exhibition video that's included on the end screen of every video at the end of the video in the last 20 seconds. My community board has a place where you can ask me questions, or notice that I post tomorrow's video there, or I can answer questions. You can ask questions. Either one. I'm there for you. If you have questions, please ask them. If you need my paint pouring recipe, it's below the video underneath Show More. When you click Show More, you will get not just my paint pouring recipe, but you will get my cell activator recipe, which is the Amsterdam black with the pre-stained wood conditioner in it. I don't know what I've forgotten other than the fact that I have 1,900 videos. There are 19 lists of 100, and the rest are separated into topic and genre. And if you need a link and you can't find one, I'm your girl. Just ask me, and I'd be happy to help you out. I don't know what I've forgotten. There's always something. In any case, I won't forget to tell you I love you, and take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. I will see you guys anon. Bye for now. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. Good experiment. Good tool demonstration creation. I did it. All right. I'll see you anon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.